What's up, YouTube? How y'all doing? I thought that I'd come here very quick to do a small video. I haven't really been live lately, only because I'm so tired of the Facebook drama, the drama, makeup women in drama. You know what I'm saying? Like, everybody is out for everybody. Everybody's like, uh-oh. That's how everybody is. I gotta go get my makeup bag. Hold on, y'all.
Mom, what do you sleep with tonight?
I don't know. Maybe you.
Oh, yeah.
Turn the light on and clean the room up. Right now. Turn the light on and clean the room up. My God, today. I'm back, y'all. I had to go get my makeup bag. I forgot my makeup bag in the darn room. So I did my locks over today, as you guys can see. As you guys can see, I did my locks over today. It took me some time, not too much of time. I didn't really do my best, but I did my best. I washed them, I moisturized them, and as you can see, I'm back to the level that I was before when my son cut my hair a couple of months ago, like maybe 2 months ago, or maybe even no 2 months ago. He cut my hair, his hair, and everything else, and I was so mad. So I'm adding some primer. Primer that I'm using right now is No Pore Blim primer, and it's a smooth and pore covering, top secret for perfect makeup. Okay, so what I do when I apply my primer is I usually rub it all over my face, but I'm just gonna, you see I got it in areas where hopefully, and if anybody calls through, I'm gonna just go ahead and post the video and do many different steps, many different steps to the video. Okay, so like maybe this will be part 1 and then the other one will be part 2 and stuff. I won't go beyond part 3 though. Okay, so if it ends, then I'll be right back. Okay, guys? All right, so we got our primer going on our face, and the next thing that I'm going to be doing is my my foundation. I use stick foundation. Hold on. Nose want to cut up on you when you in the middle of doing a video. I use stick foundation now only because everything else, like the liquid foundation, was okay, but it was starting to give me some type of breakout, and I already have neurofibromas on my face. So imagine that on top of a breakout. Oh, that was just horrible. So I'm gonna add this foundation very quickly. I'm not gonna be here long before you guys. I don't have a lot to say or anything like that. I'm just here to do a small bit of makeup, and then I'm gonna go, okay? Because my daughter's hungry and she seemed to can't make the noodles by herself, but that's okay. We gonna still make it happen, okay? Okay, so I'm adding the makeup. I'm not doing my eyebrows tonight, and the only reason why I'm not doing my eyebrows is because I'm just doing small makeup look, a natural makeup look. I'm not gonna have a bunch of colors going or anything. It's just gonna be small, okay? Just to show you guys what I do when I do my makeup, okay? And then often you'll see me here doing some makeup. So I hope everybody's having a great night. I hope you had a great day. Don't forget to say your prayers. Don't forget to pray. I don't know what you pray to or who you pray to, but don't forget to do it, okay? I'm going to put a little bit of mega protein on my lashes. And this is working perfectly fine with my lashes. Seriously. Because my lashes, I tend to pull my lashes out when I do regular lashes, because I do wear lashes, okay? But I don't take the time to pull them off, or even take my time when I'm taking them off. Like I said, I usually rush. So with that being said, I take a lot of my lashes off. So now I'm dealing with growing my lashes back and getting them to a point to where I'm okay with them and I'm satisfied with them. Don't have very much at the bottom. You see, I don't have much eyelashes at the bottom. And so I went out and I bought a lot of mascara, starting with Maybelline's mascara, the Mega Plush, and then I did the Total Temptation. Okay, so I'm gonna add those two onto my lashes. I'm kind of going backwards tonight, but that's okay. You do it the way you want to do it, any way that's helpful for you, and any way that is comfortable for you. Don't ever do your makeup how other people do it, because then you become a person that's depending on doing your makeup like someone else. Have your own technique. Do it the way you want to do it. You know, I learned that from a lot of my friends on Facebook who does makeup, especially my girl on here. And you guys go follow her, Tia Simone. Okay, I don't know how to spell her name completely, but I do follow her. She's my girl from Facebook. And you guys go and follow her. And just, she's awesome. I'm telling you right now, she is awesome. I'm going to make sure I have her name so that when I do post this video, it'll go in the description box so that you guys can go and follow her, because she's awesome with makeup. She does a lot of reviews, and she knows her shit, okay? I wouldn't tell you this if I didn't know that. She knows her shit, and she is not going to post anything without reviewing it first. So she reviews everything, and she does her homework on a lot of makeup and people who does makeup as well. So just, I like the way that look. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yes, that's really giving me coverage. Look at that. Oh my God. Oh my God. See, that's what I like when I look at my lashes. That's what I like to see is the lashes coming out, popping out. Yes. So anyway, like I said, I hope everybody's having a great day. Okay, so I got some concealer. I'm going to put some concealer on. This is our Super Stay Better Skin. Yeah, it's a concealer. Once again, Maybelline. And I'm going to go under my eyes with this. And then maybe a little bit over here, because I see a little black blemishes over there. Maybe right here a little bit, okay? Have that on. I'm going to probably do setting powder, maybe not. I probably won't do too much setting powder, but you know, I'll get it. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to do too much because I'm not going anywhere, okay? So I don't have many eyebrows on. I could draw my eyebrows on, but then I would have to, did you pay the love song? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'm in a private group on whatever you call it. Oh God, I forgot. Oh Lordy Jesus Christ. I forgot I had on eyelashes. Y'all supposed to help me. I should have went live. Look at this. Oh no, I done messed up my face, y'all. Check that out. But you know what? That's okay. We ain't going nowhere tonight. If I was going somewhere, I would be PO'd. Oh, yes, I would. So, y'all see what I did? Look at under my eyes. Going crazy. See how I went crazy under the eyes? You do that, and you can get rid of that real quick. Real quick and fast, okay? Real quick and fast, okay? Because we're not going anywhere. But if you were going somewhere, you would probably have to redo everything all over again because you'd probably be mad. Okay, so we got on our foundation. This foundation, the stick foundation for me, don't have too much coverage, but it have just enough. I also work with setting powder from the crayon case, but I'm not going to set my face tonight. That's because I'm not going anywhere. I'm just here doing a small look because I know a lot of people has been missing me on Facebook But I just don't want to deal with Facebook's in their drama. I really don't want to deal with it. I don't want to. I don't have to. That's the good thing about all of us. We don't have to deal with all of the stuff that's going on with Facebook. You know, and that's why I come here, because when I come here, I don't have to worry about anything. I mean, I know that there's some mean people out here over on this side. It really is. It's mean people out here. But for the most part, you can tolerate it. You can tolerate it. And let me go over to my mirror. I'm sorry. You can tolerate it for the most part. And it don't drain you. Facebook drains you. It drains you. Takes a lot. I don't like this. I don't like this primer either, because the primer is very, very matte, and I don't want to deal with anything that's matte. But that's me. I put it on, and that's what I get. What I should have done was color creations. This is going to be a hazel color. See? Yeah, I don't like that matte color. Oh my God. It's just like, it makes your face look like you don't even know what you're doing. You know what I'm saying? I hate that. So let me find the palette that I'm going to be using. And that is Bestie Gang. She got colors in here. I think I will use her palette tonight. Bestie Gang. Her name's Takara, and she's a lovely, wonderful lady. Okay, when I tell you that she's a beautiful lady inside and out, she is a beautiful lady inside and out. We are going to find that brush that I'm looking for. It's a brush I'm looking for that I really, really love in here. And trust me, when you grow, I'll pick up all that stuff later. When you start doing your makeup, you're going to have brushes that you're going to grow to love. And I'm going to just use this. This is what I'm going to use. This is a brush. Oh God, all the stuff came off of it. It's by CC LaRue. Okay. So this is the Bestie Gang palette. Okay. Kiss My Ass. It's this whole ass palette. Oh, this girl is crazy. Okay. So we're going to just put that on our eyes. We're not going to do too much. We're not going to be overboard. We're just going to pat that stuff on our eyes. Okay. And you see the difference. Okay. I can see it. And let me see. Yep. I can see it. This is called blunt. Okay. This is a blunt color. One side we're going to use for this color, and then the other side I'm going to use to add the additional on top of it, okay? Yes, baby, yes. Yes, baby, yes. Now you, like I said, you find your technique. Don't ever let nobody tell you that you're doing something wrong. Because when you're doing makeup, you need to find your own technique. And I need to hurry up before they find a technique and cut me off. That's what I need. I just want to do this video before it ends. Okay? The other side now. The other side, I'm going to go in with the color Goddess. We're going to do some what do you call that? Little gold, okay, on top of it. As you can see. You see the gold? Yes. And then I'm going to have to add some more, what do you call that? Mascara. Y'all like, what do you call that? You supposed to know it, girl. I know I'm supposed to know it, but I don't. But I don't. How about that? Who gonna fight me? Ain't nobody gonna fight me. Ain't nobody gonna fight me. Okay. All right. So that's that. And we're going to have to find something that's super big and bushy like this so that we can get rid of all that excess stuff that's on their eyes. Then we're going to go back in with some of the mascara over the eyes because I had some fallout on my eyes, okay? So anytime you have fallout, you can always go over fallout with either concealer or more foundation. Most people do concealer, okay? So when they go over their eyes, they go over it with concealer. Okay, so I did that, and let me see this really, really quick because I see an error. Okay, I see an error right here. Okay, and just quick. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to do too much. You don't want to do too little. Okay, then I'm going to go in with some I'm going to go in with some shadow. Dripping Gold. It's not shadow, it's highlight. I said I wasn't going to do too much, but highlight, I think I'm going to need that for the night. We're going to go in with a little bit of highlight. And it's Dripping Gold by Zealous Glitter. And y'all know her. She's all over Facebook. So there's no need for introduction, honey. Because she is the best on here. So we're going to do... We're going to find us these kids that come in with my brushes. It makes me so mad. Okay, so I have to make sure that brush is brushed, not no green. Okay, so let me get a little bit of it on top. And then I'm going to put it on my cheeks. And then I'm going to put it on my... Now, this comes off as a white. You see that? And then when I come in, it comes off as Dripping Gold, baby. And I'll probably wonder why I'm blushing so that I can get it in. Okay? You don't want too much, but you're never doing too much when it comes to your highlight. You do what you want to do, okay? People always get on here and then they say, oh, you got too much of this. Oh, you got too much of that. Oh, this, that, and the third and stuff like that. Just kind of, you know what I'm saying? Just kinds of unmotivates a person. And you don't want to do that. You want to motivate people, okay? When you get on here and you do your makeup, motivate people while you're doing your makeup. Don't take motivation away from anybody and make them feel like, you know, they're not supposed to do certain things. I'm done, okay? I am done. Y'all see that? Yeah. I'm done. I did my video and I'm done for the night. I've done my makeup video and this is going to go through, okay? So this is my look. This is my final look for the night. As y'all can see, okay? Not much, not too heavy, not too thin. This is just my final look, okay? It's just normal. It's not gonna be aggressive or anything like that. And then my eyes are just a small amount on my eyes, not too much. My lips, not too much. And that's that. So with that being said, I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, cooking videos, family videos, talking videos, real talk time. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button. And remember, I do follow back. Y'all be blessed and you're always beautiful. Don't ever let nobody tell you otherwise. Bye.